who in here understands what we mean by critically evaluate? Because this is the point that, a lot of people struggle with. So what does the command to critically evaluate mean for you? It isn't simply to explain why something is happening. So the importance is in the different perspective. So you need some tension. The critical evaluation, I know it sounds great and we love saying that stuff, but when it comes to explain it, if we don't explain it, nobody really understands what we're talking about, right? The whole point about doing stuff at master's level is that it's all about the critical evaluation and all of that stuff. But what do you actually do when you're trying to critically evaluate? Different perspectives, different sides, tension between those arguments. You're going to find it very difficult to offer a critical evaluation of something if there's only one thing. Everybody loves Nando's. You guys love Nando's? Everybody loves it. What's there to discuss? Nothing. How are we going to critically evaluate Nando's? Great chicken, great sauce. Bingo. Nothing to say. If you don't find different points in the literature that show disagreement and tension, you're going to have difficulty structuring a proper critical evaluation. So the easy way to critically analyze is to find opposing positions, not stuff that you come up by yourself. Some people like it, some people don't, right? You need to go a bit deeper than this. You need to use the tensions that you discover on the topic from the literature and then present those tensions. When you say, there's a bunch of people that are taking this position on the topic and another bunch of people that are taking a different position on the topic. Half your job, 80%, 90% of the job is done. Then it's very easy for you to say, hey, you know what? I prefer this side as opposed to this side and give some reasons why you prefer it. Yeah? So we want your view as to what's happening, not in the abstract. We want your view as to what's happening after you have gone through the literature. Okie dokie? So you're meant to hit those learning outcomes. You're meant to demonstrate your knowledge and all those skills. That comes by relaying what is happening in the literature. And your opinion is what wraps it off to an excellent mark at the end. But if you just give us your opinion, but you don't tell us how this reflects what's happening in the literature, this is incomplete. If you offer only one side of the argument and not the other, again, it is incomplete. So if you're getting the comment, the predictable comment that everybody gets in your feedback, you need to critically evaluate more. You know what that means? It means that you didn't bring out those tensions in the literature clearly enough. And you need to have more resources to beef up this versus that discussion. So that's, I've been doing this for donkey's years, and that's the way I understand it. So